everybody, it is Artist King here, back with another video. Well, I am filming this on December the 26th, the day after Christmas, the day when it is, I guess, starting to warm up a little bit from this awful Christmas storm that we had all over the United States. I saw on the news this morning where like 50 something people have died. People have been found frozen in their cars, frozen in the snow. They've had to dig out cars from on the interstate. Just a lot of sadness today for a lot of families who now have been without power since like maybe Wednesday or Thursday, and now they have to face the fact of losing a loved one or having to bury a loved one today, or sometime during over the course of the next week. It's just really been a sad Christmas this time for some of us. And for the people who are still stuck at the airport and who have no clue as to when they'll be able to get on a plane and go home, I really feel for them. I feel for sitting there. I saw a lady on the news this morning. She was crying. She said she had no money. They canceled her flight. She can't get another one. She has no money to buy anything to eat while she's in the airport. It's just sad. So I want to just encourage people today. That I don't even know what to say, but I just want to encourage everybody out there who's struggled during Christmas, who's lost loved ones that are no longer here within the holiday season, and they just go through different things. People who suffer from seasonal depression, who get really depressed around the holidays. I want to just encourage them today. It's just, I don't know. I've been at home since Thursday. Been snowed in. I went over to my friend's house yesterday and had Christmas dinner with her and her family, which was really nice. But I'm back in the house today, and I've just had a lot of time to think over this weekend, and I've just been thinking about my life. I don't believe in making New Year's resolutions. I never do that. I figure if you're gonna make a change in your life, you shouldn't wait till December 31st to make it. But that whatever you feel like you need to do, you should just go ahead and do it. Because a lot of times you make New Year's resolution, and by the time February comes around, it's like, oh, whatever. But these last 4 days, I've just been thinking about my life, thinking about where my life is headed, what's next for me, where my life is concerned. And I am seriously at the point where I want to make a change in my life, and I won't share what that change is, but it's a very drastic change. Because I don't know, I guess I'm the type, when I learn something or accomplish something, I want to move on and do something else. And I am a woman of a particular age. I'm not going to share my age, but I am just where I want to have peace. I can't do drama. I don't want to do drama. I don't want to do stupid stuff. I'm learning. God is really helping me to not always have something to say. I know you guys probably tired of hearing me saying this, but God is teaching me how to pick my battles and to not engage in every battle that comes your way. And that has really been a good help for me to think along those lines, to make better choices in my life. As I get older, I don't know, all the things that I wanted as a 20-year-old or a 30-year-old, I no longer have a desire for that, because I realize it's just things that fade away, and no one but you is really impressed by the things you have. And so I'm just trying to figure out how I can make this transition, how I can make this change. Because at the end of the day, one of the things you have to realize, no one is coming to rescue you. No one is coming to make your dreams come true. No one is coming to wave a magic wand and make your problems disappear. You have to be the person to come to that point, and you have to be happy with whatever decision you make, whatever choice you make going forward. You have to be happy with it, and you can't live your life for other people, because one of the things I realize, when people get ready to get up and walk away, they do it. So at the end of the day, you are responsible for your life. You are responsible for whether you're going to be happy or not. You are responsible for every decision you make in this life. And sometimes I feel like we need to take more time when we're about to make major decisions. We shouldn't make them rash, because usually you guys know how that works out. It never ends well. And we need to really think about our lives, think about who we are, think about what we're capable of, what we can and cannot do, what we can and cannot take. So sometimes, you just gotta sit back and take some time, some alone time. And as I say here, guys, I change it, so don't forget with this video to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not sure this YouTube algorithm thing is a mess. One minute you're getting people to look at your videos, next minute it just all goes away and you don't really know why. So with this video, guys, if you guys like this video, like this channel, please comment, like, subscribe. And back to what I was saying, we have to really figure out what we want as adults. We have to not just think about the present moment, but we sometimes have to think about long term. How do I see this turning out? How is this going to affect me? Is it going to be something good for me, or something that's going to wreck my life? And as we get older, we don't have a lot of room to fix mistakes like if you're young. So I just want to say to my more seasoned people out there, if you want to make a change to your life, it's fine. Just think it through, pray about it. If you believe in God, pray about it. And just take your time and make that decision, because this is 2023 and we don't know what it's going to bring. But we know that you can still be happy. Okay, guys, so like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you're enjoying these videos, and I will see you on my next video. Okay? All right. Bye now.